Welcome back, guys. Let's look at the last question in the basic calculation in indices. The last question is 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. I'm sure you're understanding all we've been doing in the last videos. Thank you. Minus 27 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Divide by 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3. What do we do from here? From here we have 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4 minus 27 raised to the power of 1 over 3. This divide can be substituted as over 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3. Why are we having over? You see, this bracket is different from this bracket. So this bracket is everything here, and this bracket is everything here. Right? Just trying to simplify it further. You know what to do next. We look for this 81, how we can reduce 81 such that its power will be equal to this 4. And for the 27, we reduce the 27 such that its power will be equal to 3. And we know that 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That should give us 3 raised to the power of 4. And substitute that for 81 in this question. And then 27 can be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 23 raised to the power of what? 3. Yes. And substitute this for this in this question. What else do we do? By substituting, we have 3 raised to the power of 4 times 3 over 4, right? Minus 3 raised to the power of 3 times 1 over 3, all over what? 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3. By so doing, 4 will take off 4 and 3 will take off 3. We are left with 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 1, all over 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3. What else do we do? 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27, right? Minus 3 raised to the power of 1 is 3, all over 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Yes, it's 8. And if we subtract, 27 minus 3 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. And if we divide that, we have 1. That's the simplified answer for that question. I know you will be asking, why is it that we do not take one power? Why is it that we didn't pick one power and then we subtract the basis? That law only applies to multiplying and dividing. It doesn't apply to minusing and plusing. You get? So when we have minus, we don't pick one base. Even if we have the plus operator, we don't pick one base. We do them separately. We solve them separately, because plus and minus operate differently from multiplying and dividing. That's how the operator works. Plus operator and the minus operator, they operate differently as regard to the multiplying operator and dividing operator. That's why you cannot just come and add x plus y to give you xy. That's not true. It's wrong, because these two are not the same. The plus operator or minus operator, they will only add or subtract variables of the same kind. So when we have x plus x, we can now have 2x. And when we have y plus y, we can now have 2y. But we can't do this we can't have this as our answer with this operator. The only way this thing is correct, where we can apply this, is when we are having x times y. Then we can have x and y. That's how the operator works, right? And divide, we have x divided by y, and it's substituted for x times 1 over y, which is x over y. It's that simple. It's that very, very simple. I'm going to be teaching all of this in one of our videos, our upcoming videos. It's in arithmetic. I'm going to be teaching all of this in arithmetic. But for now, let's focus on this. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you some advanced questions on the JAM question, including university preparatory questions in regard to indices, how we can solve those tough questions in indices and see how we can get a valid answer. Thank you for having availed yourself. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.
Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.